Hi, my name is Maria Valdez. It's June 13, 2020. This is Lab 8, Carbohydrates, Fermentation, and Testing for Bio 225 Microbiology. So for this week's lab, we are fermenting carbohydrates. I have already gone ahead and distributed the powders, sterilized everything. So here in the first row, it's glucose, fructose, and the mannitol. Here's the yeast, and here's the epimidase. So all the back row is epimidase, and the first row is all the yeast. So like I said, I've already gone ahead and distributed each powders, make sure everything was shaken. I inserted the Durham tubes in there. They're in there already. So everything's ready to go. At this point, all I have to do is just sterilize this. When I open it, put 4 drops of that in 4 drops of the yeast into each of the tubes. Sterilize, close. And then I have the other one back here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start. Okay, so I kind of ran out of my other little tea candles, so I had to just use one of these big ones. I mean, still does the job. Just have to make sure to be very careful. Let me just try to tie a little bit more. Touch my phone. Okay, so like I said, we have the yeast here, and it asks to sterilize, obviously, before I get drops. I also already sterilized the pipettes, which are right here. That way I can just grab it and then put drops in each of them. So we have it right here. I'm sterilizing the top of the, okay, so sterilized, sorry. I have the pipette here. Gonna make sure that it's okay. Okay, so here we have the yeast. From here I'm going to grab a good amount because I'm going to be, again, putting 4 drops in each of the vials of the first row, which are all yeast, glucose, fructose, and mannitol. So it's hard to see with these goggles. Let me see if I can. So I have here the yeast, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting 4 drops in each. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now placing whatever I didn't use back into this. Gonna discard this to the bucket I have here with bleach. Gonna go ahead and sterilize it once more before I close it. Okay, and that's it for the yeast. So before I do that, so I'm gonna put that over there. Now I have to sterilize each and every one of the vials. I just put the drops of yeast in. So make sure. Sterilize that. And then close it. So that's done for that one. I'll put that aside over here so I don't mix it up with the rest. So that's glucose. Now moving on to fructose. Okay. Capping that. Sterilizing that. Okay. That's fructose. And then we have the mannitol. Okay, I'm capping that one. So that's again for the yeast. Now moving over oh my gosh. Okay. So now here we have the epidermis, which is right here. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and sterilize that. Okay, so it's been sterilized. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the pipette. Make sure I shake it a little bit more just to make sure it's dry. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab okay, I'm gonna put that aside. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put 4 drops into each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and return whatever didn't touch. And then I'm gonna go ahead and discard that. Sterilize this. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna cap that. Putting that aside, no longer using those. And now I'm gonna move into sterilizing each of these. Okay, there's one. Setting that aside. There goes fructose. Okay. And then last but not least, okay, and that's the last one. So now I have everything sterilized, everything capped. I'm going to put it back here onto this rack. Making sure everything's correct. Yep. And now I'm going to go ahead and incubate them for 12 hours. During the 12 hours, after the 12 hours, I should come back and see different, change of color in each of these tubes. Thank you.